I drink alcohol to cope with anxiety, but my anxiety is getting worse, because of my drinking. I drink heavily to numb the emotional pain, but my drinking is causing me to be even more emotional. I turn to alcohol to escape my problems, but my problems are getting worse because of my drinking. I use alcohol to be more social, but alcohol is causing me to feel more isolated and alone. I drink because I am bored, but my drinking is making it harder to entertain myself while sober. I use alcohol to cope with stress at work, but my drinking is causing more problems in my career. I drink to forget about all my bills, but I'm spending money on alcohol, and things that don't make me happy. I use alcohol to deal with my relationship, but my drinking is the problems in those relationships. I drink to manage my depression, but my depression is getting worse, because of my drinking. I use alcohol to be a better parent, but alcohol is turning me into the parent I swore I'd never become.